Nested VLOOKUP. Over here, we are going to use two VLOOKUP together. On the top, I have got my employee data. When we come down, over here we have got department master table. Both the data are different. Just one thing is similar, that is department ID. Let's do this department ID. So over here, I have got department ID in the center. Let's come down. In second data, I have got department ID in the very beginning. When I come down, over here we have to find head of the department based on employee ID. When we go on top, in this data, name of head of the department is not present. Let's come down. In the very beginning, I want name. So based on employee ID, we can extract the names very easily. Let's insert the formula. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP. Bracket open, lookup value. Employee ID will be my lookup value, comma, table array. Let's go on top. Let's select our data from beginning to end. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and my range will be logged, comma, column index number. Over here I want name. Let's go on top. Employee ID is column index number 1. Name is 2. Let's come down and over here I'll put 2, comma, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got the name. Let's drag this down. So over here I have used basic VLOOKUP. Let's come to department name. For department name, we need department ID. And based on department ID only, we will be able to get department name. So how to get department ID over here in the very beginning? Let's insert the formula plus or equal to VLOOKUP. Bracket open, lookup value. Employee ID, which is on left hand side, will be my lookup value. As I have to drag my formula to right, I'll press F4 or function F4 3 times and dollar will be inserted in the very beginning, comma, table array. Let's go on top and let's select our data from employee ID till salary. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and my range will be logged, comma, column index number. Over here I want department name. Let's go on top. Employee ID is 1, name is 2 and department ID is 3. So I'll put 3 over here to extract department ID. Let's come down, comma, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And instead of department name, we got department ID over here. The data which is just on top, we have got department IDs in the very beginning. And just after that, we have got department name. So we are going to use this as a lookup value now. I'll double click over here, will come in the very beginning. Means I'll click just after equal to and will insert another VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Last VLOOKUP will be my lookup value, will come to the end, comma, table array. In table array, this time I'll select this data. So I have selected this data, will press F4 or function F4 one time and my range will be logged, comma, column index number. Department ID is 1, department name is 2. I'll put 2 over here, comma, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got department name. We'll drag this down. And in every place we got the departments. Let's drag our formula to right. Over here also we got department name. We'll double click on my formula. We'll come in the end. We'll delete 2 and we'll put 3 because head of the department is in column index number 3. Department ID is 1, name is 2 and HOD is 3. Enter. We'll drag down my formula and we got names over here.